we start 2017 September. Some people thinking this company is only for 2 months or 3 months. And all of you know about B5U trades. Since 2017, we are making so many millionaires in all over the world, not only in Malaysia. Only those people, those are continue with us since September 2017. They don't go here and there, they are making money. But some of our leaders, they always complaining, oh, B5U cannot make money, B5U cannot make money. Why? Because they not concentrate on B5U. They are concentrate offshore company. They are looking for 40%, 50% profit. And what happened? After a few days, after a few weeks, after a few months, they collapse. When they collapse, what they do? They change mobile number. They change social media. So all over the world, wherever I go, I tell to my leaders, I tell to B5U family members, if you focus with B5U, you don't have to hide anything. You don't have to change your mobile number. You don't have to change your social media, any account, because we are giving you profit. We are giving you platform forever. Normally, all over the world, the companies, they're giving incentive or program for 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, and before that time, they will close. Why they close? Because they don't have real businesses. They only, all the people, they invest in website. They not invest in real business. They not invest in physical business. So our profit is less, not less than banks, is enough. But some people, they greedy. They are interested 40%, 50%. At the end, they lost everything. They lost the, because I tell to people, those your downline, your member, they don't know about the company. They don't know about anything. They just trust on your face. They look at you. They trust you. They don't trust anything. They trust you. And when they trust you, you have to tell them the truth. Some leaders, those have a lot of experience. They're doing so many companies. They know this company may be closed after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but they're looking for their commission. They don't care people investment, people money, those working different projects, different, and they have very hard earning. And when they trust leaders and they spoil the market. So you have to fear with people, you have to fear with your downline, and you will make money. Inshallah, we don't have to answer only of you. We have to answer to Allah. What we give answer to Allah. In B5U, you can make money, you can make dunya, and you can make akhirah. Why we say you can make akhirah? Because Allah promised, if you spend $1 to Allah, Allah give you $70. And this is our project since 2017, 2018, and inshallah every year we do different program for the helping poor people. So this contribution with your, like 2017, all contribution I do myself. But this year, I'm special thanks to Malaysia leaders. Those go to different masjid, they collect donation, then they go all around to the Pakistan, they travel there. Inshallah, next year our destination is different. Maybe we go to Africa, maybe we go to Myanmar, maybe we go to Cambodia, because we are helping all over the world, not specific Pakistan. Why we bring them to Pakistan? Because our major investment from Pakistan. Or this is my promise. Those countries, though participate more, they get more reward from the B5U Foundation. Since when we start 2017, we have only investment platform. We're doing trading. And after 2017, when the people's demand about the e-wallet, we promise we bring e-wallet. When we bring e-wallet, then my next promise is I bring my ATM machine. And you see the ATM machine is here, our e-wallet is going on. And I promised for B5U car service that already last week start from Pakistan. And next week we are launching our new bike, motorcycle, Revolt RB70. That is Expo in Pakistan next week. And 2020, our plan, we bring our own assembling plant, car assembling plant. And at the same time, we are doing ATM machine manufacturing. And that ATM machine manufacturing we are doing in Japan, because Bitcoin introduced from Japan and our ATM machine made in Japan. Inshallah, this year we are target Malaysia and Japan. We are install 40 machines. And this is not only these things. We have property projects. We are looking for school. We are going to open orphan house. So these all things coming on the way. We need your support. We need your help. And inshallah, we change the life people. Thank you.